How you doing? Here today I'm gonna show you how to use the sweep function, how to create bars on your object in case you want to design a coffee mug or a door handle, not a door handle, but an object that needs handles. Um, so here this is a very simple drawing with some handles displayed. So this tutorial is gonna show you how to design a simple handle, not too in depth. So let's start with a new. Go with a part file. If you have already created a part file and you want to add a handle, just open that part file that you designed. Here you go. So I'm gonna start with a sketch with a cylinder. Something simple. This method could be used with any shapes. There will be some, some limits, but I will show you in a bit. Okay, finish. I'm gonna extrude this object. I'm gonna just make it 500. Let's make it 400. Not too big. Okay, here it is. Now this is our object. Now when you draw the object or the handle, you're gonna draw it on the face of on the object. Um, you're not gonna draw it. How can I explain this? You're gonna choose a datum plane, either the left or right, doesn't really matter, and you're gonna draw. You're gonna draw the object protruding out from that datum plane, which I'm gonna show you right now. Real simple. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the sweep function. Right? Once you click the sweep function, you're going to select here datum and sketch. Right? And now it's gonna ask you to select a plane. You go and select either one of these planes. Okay, click sketch. Here, go to sketch view. You're gonna represent it with this. If by any reason your drawing appears like this, don't worry. What you could do, I'm gonna show you again. You go to sketch setup and change this value to right, top, left, or right until you get a vertical position or the position you desire to start your drawing. It's really not necessary, but it will help you as a designer have a good orientation and a good spatial view on how to do your drawing. Now to begin, always add references, because remember, your handle is going to protrude from this plane, so you need an anchor point. References are very necessary, especially if you're going to 3D print an object. If you don't have references, sometimes the line could be deeply ingrained into the extrude, and what that could cause is if you create a hole and then you create a line and it passes that hole, sometimes when you go to 3D print, you're gonna have imperfections, because the 3D printing software will take those lines into account. So what this reference is going to create that exact point of intersection. Just explaining on why to use references. So once you create datum, you created your datum, and what is going to occur is you could use the spline tool or the line tool or a circle, however you want to do it. For now, I'm going to use a spline. You go to spline, you click here. It takes a little practice, but you'll get it. Once you met the point of intersection here, right, I'll click escape to finish my how you say it, my drawing. As you can see, that's my handle. All right. After you have accomplished this, accept it by saying OK. Now remember, you're still on your sweep function. You just created a sketch. So now that you're on your sweep and you created a sketched picture, you're gonna click on this and you're gonna click play. Resume previously paused tool. Now you could click on these two arrows because it will determine where the extrusion or the sweep function is going to start. For now, it doesn't really matter. Start it here. If you wanted to start the other side, just click on the arrow. Now, remember, in order for a sweep function to occur, you need to have a sketch already drawn on where your sweep is going to follow through. Okay? After you created your sketch, you're going to create or sweep edit section. Now, since my arrow began here, my drawing is going to start at this section. You're going to go right here and click sketch view. It's going to take you to that exact orientation. If you want a circle handle, a handle with a circle feature, you go to this point, draw however big you want the circle, not too big. You don't want the circle to be too big because I'll show you. If the circle is too big and you click OK, it really doesn't matter, but you will have some issues. These points will not meet. To resolve that issue, you will go to option and click merge ends. Always click merge ends because that would let the ends meet. So when you do the 3D printing, you don't have no dead spots or dead ends. If you want to go back and how you say, change the radius of this drawing, go back here, right? Click that section and change your dimension. Let's make it more realistic. Let's say 50. Okay, we're gonna click OK, and there we go. Now please remember, go to option and click merge ends. It is very necessary to do that. It is necessary. Once you're finished, you already created your sweep. Now you might be thinking, okay, what if I wanted the handles on both sides? I need handles on both sides, exactly identical, exactly at that same height, same width. Do I have to draw the sweep function again? No, you don't. All you do is you click on sweep, you go here on this section, click on sweep, click on mirror, and you're gonna click on that middle datum plane. Or not that middle datum plane, you're gonna click on this midline datum plane that has been created for you. And click OK, and automatically you will have that same handle on the other side. Okay, hopefully this tutorial has helped you use the sweep function to create a simple handle for any of your projects, any of your capstone projects in your school. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I will be helpfully and happy to answer your questions. Have a nice day.